Hello, my name is Keith Fenner, a 45-year career job shop machinist. I just become sole proprietor of Turn Wright Machine Works after a 26-year partnership. Turn Wright Machine Works started 26 years ago, and 23 years ago it was established here at this location at 791 Main Street, West Dennis, Route 28. Leading up to dissolving the partnership this last year, I was fearful, unsure, wondering if I could continue on with Turn Wright Machine Works. Sort of a baby that I've created along with help, but nonetheless my hands-on, my talents controlled Turn Wright Machine Works. And it is my career, my livelihood, and I really don't know anything else other than working with my hands and helping those that need it. Besides helping the locals here on Cape Cod and the islands, and occasionally a business that comes into this area that needs a little assistance while they're on site doing whatever their project is, I've ventured into my YouTube channel and sharing what I do here. Originally it was for customer awareness, but soon it began sharing my talents, being the teacher, and kind of pay back for those that have taught me. Then we came up with What's in Your Box Toolbox giveaway. Then I actually found myself paying forward, giving tools that were donated from all around the world, and we sent those tools all around the world. I think the last year I was able to keep up with it. We sent out 7 machinist toolboxes full of tools to 7 individuals. UK, Canada, across America, Australia. The community that has been built since that I'm grateful to be part of, it's just a fantastic feeling. It's all shop related. Everything that I've been doing along my career somehow has been machine shop, welding, hands-on type of work. And that's kind of what I'm concerned about today. I've invested my life into my career. And even sometimes when I thought that life was going to be shortcut, it was brought back alive for the drive for Turn Wright Machine Works, kind of my baby I built. I'm reaching out right now with GoFundMe to help me take Turn Wright Machine Works from this location and move it over to 159 Great Western Road to a new location about 4 or 5 miles away from here. And we're going to go take a visit over to that site and show you where I want to move this shop. All right, let's head over. Let me set my odometer to 0 here so that we can actually see an accurate measurement of miles between our old shop here and the new shop. All right, let's head on off. I gotta put on my seatbelt here. I still am not settling in yet that I have this blessed opportunity to actually keep Turn Wright Machine Works alive. Well, we're going to be trying to do this move within 3 weeks. There's a certain amount of things that my new landlord is actually taken care of as far as the shell of the building. But there's a lot that I have guys standing by to do inside the building and prep it so that I can have electrical. I gotta have 3-phase electrical brought into this place. And there's a couple other things that I've got to do inside the building to prep for my machines to be where I want them. I'm still laying out the floor plan and getting that going. All new lighting has got to be put into this place as well. There's only a couple fluorescent ballasts hanging up there. It's just not enough light, and it's it's outdated. It's got an old oil burning furnace inside, and we're going to need to change that out to economical use. It's actually less distance here than I thought just by looking down at my odometer already. And here we are. 2.3 miles. All right, we kind of got over here just in time because there's a crew coming in here and they're getting ready to paint this place out white. All right, and the roofers got the roof on, and this will be kind of a look around. And of course, the old tenants was into automotive repair, so there's a lot of automotive grime, and his need for this building was a lot different than my need to have a machine shop in here. There's still moisture and stuff like that on the floor here that's that's going to be totally dried up and taken care of. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to bring you around here. So I've got a bathroom in here, minimum. In here is another section that's as deep as that room in there. This is 18 by 29. This space here is 24 by 29. There is a full roll-up door here, but this is my entrance door here to the shop itself, and when that door is down, I'll be able to have basically a 24 by 29 out of the weather and be able to heat it as well. All right, let's go around to this other side here. And I'll probably have my air compressor in here, and this is also the heat furnace, gas furnace that's going to be bringing in here. All right. Now here is the old power panel that's in the shop, and this is going to be removed and replaced because I have to have 3-phase 200 amp service in here minimum to run my shop. Now this was, and of course, maybe if I stand over here, all right, this was the gentleman's old office and everything else in here, and I'm not sure if mine is actually going to be here or not. I haven't decided that. My layout is for the machinery, and the desk will be set up wherever it fits in afterwards. Your machinery and the use of your machines has got to be the key thing. I have this mapped out, and I'm starting to play around with where the machines actually need to go. The electrician needs to know right away the amperage to draw and where it's going to be at. All right, after coming through the door here, of course the lighting is bright, so it's kind of dark looking here. There's a doorway over here. We're probably going to put a steel door in here. We have one on hand, so we have another access out the back here. This is an old wood stove that's going to be yanked out, and of course you know my wood stove from the other location there. Will probably fit in here at this time, and this will be the welding section. And you're actually sitting underneath a car lift here, and let's take a look around. Okay, now that's a full sliding door there, and so there's big access for both sections of the shop. So they take in projects and have the comfort, and of course there's no problem with overhead. We got plenty of height in both both areas of the shop. All right, so there's some preparation work to actually get in and get it moved in over here, and some of it's on the landlord's responsibility, and there's a lot that I'm going to have to do. I have friends that are going to help physically with labor of moving, but there's going to be other expenses and materials that need to be purchased. It's going to be quite a chunk of change to bring the three-phase in and mount it up and get it operable so that the machines are ready to turn on. All right, let's go ahead and head back to the shop. I just talked with the guys here that are doing they're insulating. They're putting an insulation in the overhead today. That's what their job is, and they pulled out the water heater for the bathroom. It had blown a pipe, and that's where all that water and moisture that was on the floor, that's where that came from. In the other area, there's a little sweating or roof dripping going on, and probably gonna have to put insulation panels inside there so that the moisture sheds from that area. You know, machine shop's got to be, yep, got to be a dry situation. All right, now my job is packing up my shop and get it ready to move. We're going to try to move all the machines and the majority of everything in one day. I'll have the layout, electrical will be done. These guys will be finished the insulation and the overhead and get the paint walls stripped down and get those painted and watertight. And be able to put some heat and control the climate. It's key location. It's hard to believe. Keeping the faith and the positive attitude. I had this opportunity. I have to go for it. All right, 4.7 round trip. All right, to be able to make this move from this location over to the other is a lot of work. I'm asked, hey, how much longer are you gonna be able to go for it or go at it? You know, I'm 45 years in the trade right now. It's what I love doing. When I get up in the morning, every morning, I just thinking about coming here to the shop, my shop, and grabbing my tools and helping people. It's what I want to continue doing. And so I'm going to make the move. We're going over to different shop, a little bit more quality room, higher overhead, no wood floors, no lolly columns in the way. We need to do a few things to make it all work. There's a certain amount of expense. I have no desire to do anything other than continue with Turn Wright Machine Works and do what I do best, and that's help other people. I would be truly grateful if you can help me make this happen. All right, let's get packing.